Okay, I've got the first part of the instructions read through real quickly. Got me a couple crescents here to put the 3-point link pins in. And we got our bolts pre-laid out at 13 millimeter. So I got 13 millimeter socket, ratchet. Normally when I put stuff together, I use blue Loctite. And since this is the first assembly of this, I'm not doing that. I'll put it together, make sure everything's adjusted right. I'll probably actually use it and then go back through and Loctite everything. So it shows these pins ran all the way in. That's another reason not to go ahead and Loctite everything until I actually try it on the tractor. Should have ran these up before I started. I was looking for a socket. See if I had something just to good size measure on this, but I didn't have anything. So we're using 2 crescent. I'm leaving the top nut about 3 threads from the very top. I'm not going to make this super tight either. I'm just snugging it up because, like I said, there'll probably be some adjustments made to fit my tractor. Right there's issue number 1. Feels like it has a burr. That's alright, it's just being a little new. So I just went and got big Phillips and stuck through where the pin goes. Okay, so now it says bolt on the sides to the frame. Left side and right side I looked at. They appear to be identical and there's no stamp marks on them that say left side or right side. Big thing to watch is you got 3 holes in the back here and 2 in the front. 3 in the back go to the frame. Let's see which way they show the bolts going in. From the outside to the inside. Now these do have little locking teeth on both sides. They're not slotted, so I should be able to just go ahead and tighten these all the way up. What we'll do is just get it finger tight to start with. All those nuts and bolts are the same, which is rather nice. I think it said 5/16 18 thread. See, now it says put the front plate on. Let's see which way it goes. Lip to the inside. We're going like this. Let's see, the bolts also go from outside to inside. Okay, next are front tank brackets. And let's see, what did they call them? Sorry, boom support bars. Yeah, a little paint run there. Oh well. What do you expect for the price? See how level the frame is. So I'm just a little bit to that side. Looks like I'm about the same there.